Drones operate using a combination of hardware and software components. At their core, drones are equipped with rotors, a flight controller, and sensors. The rotors generate lift, allowing the drone to ascend and maneuver in the air. The flight controller processes data from the sensors, which include GPS, accelerometers, and gyroscopes, to maintain stability and control. Pilots can operate drones remotely via a transmitter or through autonomous flight modes using pre programmed routes. Communication between the drone and the pilot is facilitated by radio signals, ensuring real time control and feedback. Drones also utilize cameras and other payloads for various applications, such as aerial photography, surveying, and delivery services. Building a drone can be an exciting project. First, gather your materials: a frame, motors, propellers, an electronic speed controller, a flight controller, a battery, and a transmitter. Start by assembling the frame, ensuring it's sturdy. Next, attach the motors to the frame and connect the propellers. Install the electronic speed controller to manage motor speed. Then, set up the flight controller, which is the brain of your drone. Connect the battery to power the system. Finally, pair the transmitter with the flight controller for remote control. Once everything is assembled, conduct a pre flight check and you're ready to take to the skies.